'Tis the season to be baking. If you want to see what I'm baking today, stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen. Welcome to the channel. Guys, I'm super excited because I have been invited to a cookie exchange. It's a virtual cookie exchange. It's my first one, and so I'm super excited. Before I give you all of the details, welcome to the channel if you're new. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to tap the notification bell 2 times so you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. And if you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. All right, guys, let me go ahead and introduce you to our lovely host of this cookie exchange and all of the beautiful creators that she has invited. Our host is Shangie of Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle, and she has invited Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Erica of Love is the Main Key, Tammy, Queen of DIY, Renters Love Luxury by N, Shawni of Shawni On The Spot, Pat of Styles with Pat. Thank you, Shangie, for inviting me to your virtual cookie exchange. I'm so excited about it, and I was looking forward to it. And I want to thank all of the ladies who are participating as well. All right, guys, I'm going to be baking a classic sugar cookie today. This recipe came off a set of dish towels that I picked up not too long ago from Dollar General. This is the recipe card of the sugar cookies, and I'm going to make sure and have the recipe down in the description box. And I'll also have the links to Shangie's channel and all of the ladies who are participating in this cookie exchange. I'll have their channels down below. Please make sure that you go over and show everyone some love and watch all of the videos as part of this virtual cookie exchange. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to need, for our sugar cookies, of course, we're going to need some flour. And I'll put all of the measurements for the recipe down in the description box, and I'll run it across the screen as I add the ingredients, as I'm baking the cookies. We're going to need sugar, of course, and baking soda and baking powder, 1 egg, vanilla extract, and I've got my butter already softened. It's ready to go. 2 sticks, and that equals 1 cup of butter. And that's it, guys. That's it for the sugar cookies. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Let's get baking.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or 2 ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle
Okay guys, this step right here is totally not necessary. You do not need to flour your surface. I was just being real extra right here and taking it a step further, and you do not need to do it. I should have just followed the directions on the card, on the recipe card, and it just said to drop the cookie dough into rounded balls onto the cookie sheet. But I went ahead and pulled out my star cookie cutters. I thought I had some different Christmas cookie cutters, but this is all I could find. So I'm putting the cookies on the baking sheet. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven. But once they came out of the oven, they did not keep their star shape. But that was okay because they still turned out to be really delicious cookies. But the next batch of cookies that I put in the oven, I just decided to use my round cookie cutter for those and just, keep it simple. And I really didn't need to do that. But anyway, the cookies still turned out delicious, and trust me, my family tore these cookies up, you guys. I don't know if they even lasted 2 days. They were really, really good sugar cookies. I'd like to thank Shangie of Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle for inviting me to her virtual cookie exchange. I'll have Shangie's channel link as well as all of the channel links of the participants in my description box down below. There's also a playlist link for this virtual cookie exchange that's available. If you click on that link, you'll be able to see all of the videos as part of this virtual cookie exchange. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.